Hello everyone. So welcome to the course on data science with Python. So why data science? Why Python? So according to Harvard Business Review, data scientist is one of the most sexiest job of the 21st century. And according to the Glassdoor, the average data scientist today earns about $130,000 in a year. And why Python? So in the last few years, the popularity of Python has almost skyrocketed. Python is one of the most favorite language among the data scientists. So let's see what we are going to cover in this course. So this is beginner level course for data science with Python. So we'll start with the basics of Python, and as ID we are going to use the Jupyter Notebook. We'll see the detailed installations tab of Anaconda distribution. Then we'll move towards data analysis library like a NumPy library and a Pandas library. And for the visualization purpose, we are going to use the Matplotlib and a Plotly library. Apart from that, we'll dive into various data science related topics like importing data into Python. So we'll try to snatch data from variety of different sources and put it into Python environment. We'll see about the web scraping process. So one of the very much important skill for any data scientist, how to scrap the data. We'll see what are the pre-processing required before throwing all your data into any advanced machine learning or AI algorithm. We'll learn about exploratory data analysis, what is data transformation and what is data scaling. Then slowly we'll move towards the machine learning related concept like what is machine learning, what is the layman understanding of machine learning, what is the formal definition of machine learning, what are the different types of machine learning, how machine learning is different from traditional way of computing. And then at the end, we'll learn about put your data science and data analysis skill into one of the in-memory distributed platform like Apache Spark. We'll see the detailed installations tab of Apache Spark and started with the very hello world. So I am Ankit Mistry, an instructor for you in this course. I have been teaching tens of thousands of students on Udemy for various topics like Python, data science and Apache Spark. As a part of prerequisite, you should have a basic understanding of Python programming. Although we are going to cover one basic crash course on a Python, and you should have understanding of high school mathematics. So anyone who wants to make a career in data science, machine learning or data analytics, this is the entry point to get started. There is always 30 days money back guarantee given by Udemy. So there is nothing to lose at your end. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll today and begin your data science journey now, and I will see you in a field.